Welcome to this presentation on how to write the Finance Dissertation Introduction. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write this question in this video. Kindly subscribe us to and message us on Speaker Notes, 150 words. The introduction of a finance dissertation plays a crucial role in defining the direction and clarity of the research. It serves as the opening that sets the tone and provides a roadmap for the reader. This section should clearly present the research problem and articulate the main objectives the study aims to achieve. Moreover, it is important to justify why the topic is relevant in the current financial context, whether due to economic instability, technological disruption, or policy changes. A well-written introduction also briefly outlines the upcoming chapters to guide the reader through the content. In doing so, it not only engages the reader's interest, but also highlights the academic significance and practical value of the research. This initial section, if done effectively, lays the groundwork for a compelling and well-structured dissertation, making it easier for examiners to follow your argument and award top grades. Speaker Notes, 150 words. To craft a strong introduction, begin with an engaging hook that may include a recent event or major issue in the financial sector, something that instantly captures attention. Follow this with a precise and focused statement of the research problem. This statement should be specific enough to identify the research gap while being broad enough to invite inquiry. Next, align your research objectives with the core topic in finance, ensuring that each objective supports the overall purpose of your study. Additionally, the introduction should not only appeal to academic audiences, but also underline practical implications, such as how the findings could benefit financial analysts, policymakers, or corporations. Balancing scholarly insight with real-world relevance will add depth and demonstrate the importance of your research. This approach ensures the introduction acts as a solid foundation that communicates purpose and direction effectively. Speaker Notes, 150 words. When writing your finance dissertation introduction, avoiding common pitfalls is crucial. One of the biggest mistakes is being too vague or choosing a topic that is overly broad, which dilutes the focus and confuses readers. Another issue is not properly justifying why the research problem is significant. This weakens the rationale behind the entire study. Also, lack of clarity in your aims or scope can make your dissertation appear unfocused, leading examiners to question your academic direction. Many students also tend to include excessive background information in the introduction, which should instead be reserved for the literature review chapter. The introduction should be precise and concise, highlighting only what is essential to set the context. A clear, justified, and focused start ensures that your readers and assessors can see the value and intent of your work right from the beginning. Speaker Notes, 150 words. To enhance the quality of your dissertation introduction, integrating practical ideas and approaches is vital. Begin by using real-world financial data or referencing case studies that illustrate your topic's relevance. For instance, if you're studying fintech disruptions, referencing real firms like PayPal or Revolut can ground your research in reality. Secondly, explore current trends and highlight any existing academic gaps that your study will address. This shows awareness of the field and establishes your study's unique value. Third, clearly articulate your research question in a concise and focused manner. This acts as the anchor for the rest of your dissertation. Lastly, explain what your research hopes to contribute to the field of finance, whether it's theoretical insight, practical policy suggestions, or business applications. These enhancements can help your introduction stand out and better engage the examiners. Speaker Notes, 150 words. The final slide summarizes how to ensure your finance dissertation introduction is effective and impactful. First, remember to keep the introduction concise. It should be informative but not overly long. A good length is usually 10 to 15% of the total dissertation. Second, prioritize clarity and coherence. Every sentence should serve a purpose, and lead logically to the next. Your introduction should create a strong foundation for the rest of the dissertation, so it's vital that everything introduced here is relevant and will be developed further in subsequent chapters. Third, make sure that your introduction aligns with the body and conclusion of the dissertation. This consistency shows academic maturity. Finally, don't underestimate the value of feedback. Share your draft with classmates, mentors, or supervisors who can provide constructive criticism. These tips, if followed well, can greatly improve your chances of achieving a top grade in your finance dissertation.